Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about how I can speak English fluently and confidently. My daily English study routine. Studying English every day is very important. English is a global language, and learning it helps me communicate with people from different countries. It also helps me in my studies, work, and travel. I follow a simple routine to practice English daily. My routine includes reading, writing, listening, speaking, and vocabulary practice. I try to make learning fun and easy so that I can improve my English skills step by step. Morning English study. I start my day with English. When I wake up at 6 a.m., I try to think in English. Instead of using my native language, I say simple things in my mind like, I am waking up now, or I need to brush my teeth. This helps me get used to the language. After getting ready, I read English for 15 minutes. I read simple books, newspapers, or online articles. Sometimes I read children's stories because they use easy words and short sentences. If I find a new word, I write it in my notebook and check the meaning. This helps me learn new vocabulary. At breakfast, I listen to English podcasts or watch short English videos. This helps me improve my listening skills. I listen carefully and try to understand the words. If I hear a new word, I repeat it aloud to practice pronunciation. Sometimes I listen to the same podcast 2 or 3 times to understand it better. English practice at school or work. If I go to school, I try to use English in class. I answer my teacher's questions in English and speak with my classmates. If I do not understand something, I ask in English, can you explain this again? What does this word mean? If I am at work, I read emails in English or write short notes in English. I also try to think in English when I am doing my tasks. This helps me get comfortable with the language. At lunchtime, I sometimes watch a short English video or read a small English article. If I have friends who are learning English, we practice together. Speaking with others in English helps me gain confidence. Afternoon English practice. In the afternoon, I practice writing in English. I write simple sentences in my notebook. Sometimes I write about my daily routine, my hobbies, or my goals. Writing every day helps me remember grammar and new words. I also check my mistakes and try to correct them. I also practice English grammar in the afternoon. I study one grammar rule each day. For example, I learn about past tense, present tense, or how to use prepositions. I write sentences using the grammar rule so that I can remember it better. To improve my speaking skills, I talk to myself in English. I stand in front of a mirror and say, "Hello, my name is Jam. Today, I will practice English." I ask myself questions and answer them. This makes me feel comfortable speaking English. Sometimes I use an English learning app to practice. There are many good apps where I can play English games, listen to conversations, and answer quizzes. This makes learning fun. Evening English study. In the evening, I focus on listening and speaking. I watch English TV shows or movies with English subtitles. This helps me understand native speakers' accents. When I hear a sentence, I pause the video and repeat the sentence. This helps me practice pronunciation and fluency. I also try to speak with English learners online. There are websites where I can chat with people who are learning English. We talk about different topics like our favorite foods, movies, or travel experiences. Talking with real people helps me improve my speaking skills. Before dinner, I review the new words I learned that day. I write them in a notebook and try to use them in sentences. If I practice new words every day, I remember them easily. Nighttime English study. Before going to bed, I read for 15 minutes in English. Reading before sleep helps me relax and remember new words. I read simple books, short stories, or news articles. If I find a difficult word, I write it down and check the meaning the next day. Sometimes I listen to English songs before sleeping. Music is a fun way to learn English. I listen to the lyrics and try to sing along. Singing helps me learn new words and improves my pronunciation. At 10 p.m., I go to bed and think about my English learning. I ask myself, what new words did I learn today? Did I practice speaking and listening? How can I improve tomorrow? I feel happy when I study English every day. Learning a language takes time, but small steps every day help me improve. Why studying English daily is important. Studying English daily is very important. It helps me communicate with people from different countries. It also helps me in school, work, and travel. If I practice every day, my English gets better and better. Here are some benefits of studying English daily. 1. Improves communication skills. Speaking and writing in English helps me express myself clearly. 2. Helps in education. Many schools and universities use English for learning. 3. Better job opportunities. Many companies prefer employees who can speak English. 4. Makes travel easy. English is spoken in many countries, so it helps when traveling. 5. Access to more information. Many books, websites, and videos are in English. My goals for learning English. I want to become fluent in English. My goal is to speak, write, and understand English easily. I also want to travel to English-speaking countries and talk to native speakers. To reach my goal, I must practice every day. Here are my goals for learning English. Learn 5 new words every day. Read an English book every month. Watch English movies without subtitles. Speak English confidently with others. Write in English without mistakes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.